Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna clean my nails because my nails looks really dirty right now. Yeah, that's my nail. Really dirty. So keep on watching. Tools that we need is mini nail brush. It's to scrub your nail. The bristle, it's not really soft, but I think it's good for me. The next step is wooden stick. It have like two in it, the sharp one and the one to push your cuticle back. Next step is sanding block, but I use just two steps. I'm not use all the steps because I don't think it's necessary for my nails. And the last one is cuticle oil to moisture your cuticle. I think it's really necessary in here. Okay, the first thing is using your nail brush. Clean your nail with the nail brush, soap and water. Just scrub it like that. Just scrub until your nails is clean. After that, don't forget to dry your nail using some tissue or towel. And then, clean the dirt under your nails using the sharp side of the wooden stick, or you can use some toothpick instead. Clean the dirt under your nails, all over your nails. After that, use another side of wooden nails and push back your cuticle. Do it all over your nail. And the best tip for me, as a beginner, don't cut your cuticles. Next thing that we need to do is grab the sanding block and use the step 2 just to refine the shape of your nail. Or if you don't want to do it, just don't. Still with the sanding block, use the step 7 it's the polish and shine to make it look shine like using clear nail polish. Do it all over your nails. And look at that, shiny shiny, right? I love it. Just do it all over your nails until all of your nails it's shiny. And the last step is using the cuticle oil to keep your cuticle healthy. Just twist the top of it and the oil comes itself. And after that, don't forget to give a little massage on your nails. And look at that, a beautiful nails. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Bye.